Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really nice 2013 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout. This bike's got a 103 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. Comes with forward mount foot controls. Beautiful vivid black with the factory graphic painted on the tank there. Goes back across to the rear fender. The slick tank badge. See, it comes right across the fender back here. It's got a really wide tire on it. I think that's probably a 240 millimeter. See if I can see that. Well, I can't really see it, but I think that's, yeah, here it is over here. Yeah, it's 240. Really slick spoked aluminum mag wheels on this bike. Wide glide front end. Black powder coated lowers. Excellent tire on the front. It's a really low mileage bike. It's got the same kind of ignition as the rocker. Painted to match oil tank there. Swing away license plate cover. Cool dash on it. Bike's only got 1,411 miles. Got a drag bar style handlebar. Really fun bike to ride. Kind of low, lean, and mean. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Still got the factory exhaust on it, so it runs pretty quiet. Black powder coated heat shields on the mufflers. She's a dandy. Bike went through our shop, was checked out, serviced, it's ready to ride. Low mileage, it's not even warmed up yet. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Looks like there's a little rub right here. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. Looks like there might be a little scratch right here on this back fender. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. 2013 Harley Davidson Breakout. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.